Hello pre-calculus students, and welcome to a video on factoring. Now we're factoring trinomials in this video, and we're going to focus on one method right now, and that's called splitting the middle. Some people call it factor by grouping, and they're both true. Because what you do is you split the middle and then you factor by grouping. So they're both valid ways to think of this. Now when I say splitting the middle, I'm talking about the middle term. We're going to split the middle term into two terms so that we can move forward and factor it by grouping. So how do we find how to split this? We can make it 1x and 4x, 2x and 2x. How do we know? So what we do is we multiply the first and the third term. So we get, in that case, we get 45x squared. And we carry down the middle term, which is negative 4x. I forgot the 5 there, negative 4x. And we make a little x. And we use our normal x factoring method to try to find a product that gives us 45 and a sum that gives us negative 4. So we think about the different products of 45. We've got 15 times 3. That doesn't look like that's going to give us a negative 4 no matter how we add or subtract. We've got 9 times 5, and maybe that would be the first one to even think of, because 5 minus 9 does give us negative 4. So I think I'm going to go for that one. So 5, and there are actually x's here, and 9x. So we're going to split the middle to make it negative 4. So it's going to hopefully it's going to be a negative 9x and a positive 5x, because they add up to the negative 4, and they do multiply to give us. And this is, by the way, this is negative 15 times 3, so that's a negative 45. So we do have it right. All right, so let's go ahead and split the middle. So we've got 3x squared plus 5x minus 9x minus 15. And now we're going to go ahead and factor this into two groups. One group here, and I'm going to make this plus and minus, and the second group there. In the first group, common factor is x, so I'm going to take out an x times 3x plus 5. In the second group, the common factor looks like it's a negative 3, so I'm going to take out a negative 3, and that would be times 3x plus 5. Well, that's the same thing. That's good. That's what we want, right, when we factor by grouping. Common factor of 3x plus 5, that comes out in front, 3x plus 5. The x plus negative 3, or x minus 3, is the other term. And we have created something that is the sum and difference, in this case the difference of three terms, into a product of two factors. That's called factoring, and that's splitting the middle or factor by grouping. Hope you found this helpful.